Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the concept of CSMA CD. It's nothing but it's a process in which the collision are said to be the collisions which are there when the information is being transferred from one end to another end. If a collision happens, those collisions are said to be aborted, and it starts from the beginning. The whatever frames are being sent, those it will be accepted, and those once again it may be running once again with the particular session. Okay, beginning transmission, the session whatever it is, it starts to continue to transfer the information from one end to another. And here the carrier sensor which is there, it sends the information. If it is said to be collided, it takes a back of times, and once again it will try again to execute that process. So the wastage of the seconds which is there when the information is being transmitted from one end to another end, that wastage time is being like carried forward in future. It may time is being reduced, but the working starts processing at a faster rate, which happens in the CSMA CD. The processing it will be taking care at a faster rate in the CSMA CD. Okay, so the CSMA CD, this is how the process runs. The A starts sending the frame, and B, in between there may be a collision. That collision time is being reduced, and once again it may start processing, and it may send the information to the concerned destination from one end to another end. But remember, the propagation which is there, at which the information is being sent, it will be propagated with the other information which is said to be beginning and sending to the other end. Okay, here mainly the carrier sensor is there, which will help you out in sensing the information before it is being sent. If any problem is there, then and there it will be corrected and it will be sent. Otherwise, if in between, if it is said to be having any problem, it will be checked, it will be backed off, and then once again the processing starts and it will be sending. The back off time, it will be reduced from the actual time, and later it may propagate to move faster the information. That is said to be your concept of CSMA CD. Okay, mainly it propagates in different way. In various aspects it will be propagating. The two times the propagation happens, from the time it transmits till the end, it is said to be received, and the propagation starts to send and receive, and in between if it is said to be idle, that idle time is being covered and the information is being passed according to the time which is being sent and received. That happens in the CSMA CD model. Okay, mainly the propagation of the contingent resolution, you can see it will be in the number of frames which are being sent and the probabilities at which it will be received. It will be in the format of minus, so 1 minus p to the whole n minus 1. This success, it is how many successes are there when it is said to be reached. So it will be in the exponential format 1 by e, which will be received and it will be sent to the other. Okay, so mainly the throughput and the output, it is based on the number of signals which are being carried and which will be sent. Okay, in the Ethernet LAN, it has various signals which are being carried and sensed, and it will be sent over the LAN. And whatever the time propagation, it will be in microseconds, not even milliseconds also. That microseconds is nothing but the time which is being selected when the collision happens. It may collide and resend the information. If a collision happens also, it will not be like resent. Otherwise, the whichever frames are there, it will be sensed before collision and it will take a back off and it will be received at the other end. Okay, the main application, it will be in the Ethernet, where your CSMA CD is being used. It is collision, it's a process of collision detection and once again transmitting the information. Okay, it has a throughput of its own. It has the output which is being compared to Aloha, slotted Aloha, non PCSMA, non-resistance CSMA, then persistent CSMA and the CSMA CD. All over all other techniques, CSMA CD has the advantage over the things. Okay, carrier sensing, mainly since it is said to be used in the wireless LANs or WANs, it is said to be having a priority which is said to be higher, and lower priorities compared to the channels, it is said to be not having much of the lower priority, but higher priority it will be maintained on the data to be sent and received at a particular way. Okay, so this is the concept of CSMA, which has the higher level of acceptance of data from one end to another end. It will send and receive the information without any difficulty, without any collision. Okay. Thank you.